Hey, welcome everyone. I'm going to show you how to use the Vocaroo website to record your audio. To do this, you want to click on the link. Click here, and you see it. Sometimes there might be a pop-up that says allow, might come up around here. Please click allow so your microphone is enabled for the website. If it didn't pop up, that's okay, but if it did, that is important to click allow. All right, once you're done with that, you're going to click on the microphone. This is when you're ready to record. So click the record button. You can see it's already started. And then you want to scroll down to the next page and begin reading the text aloud. You want to read the whole text aloud, naturally as you would in your head, but out loud. Once you are done reading, you're going to click back to the Vocaroo website, click the stop button. If you click play, you can replay your recording. You could even redo your recording if you didn't like it. So once you are happy with your recording, you're going to click Save and Share. Now you have a link. You can either click highlight it, click right-click copy, or highlight it, click Control and C on your keyboard at the same time, or use this fancy little icon here that copies it for you. So if you click this icon, it's copied. You see, it has it right here. So all you need to do is go back to the page, scroll to the gray box where you're going to put your link in there, right? You can either right-click paste, or you can click Control and V at the same time, whichever way you like pasting. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions about the Vocaroo website.